Vishakha is the only Indian flexible packaging company to offer all three film technologies: cast film, blown film, and water-quenched film under one manufacturing ecosystem. Together, they allow us to address diverse barrier, mechanical, optical, and application requirements. Let's look at each technology. Cast film. Cast film technology enables high clarity, uniform thickness, and precise control over film properties. Taking this capability further, Vishakha is bringing India's first 11-layer barrier cast film line in partnership with Windmöller and Hölscher. Germany enabling advanced multi-layer structures for food, medical, and industrial applications. Blown film. Blown film technology combines mechanical strength, flexibility, and barrier performance. Vishakha's multi-layer PA, EVOH, co-extrusion capabilities enable films designed for product protection, shelf life requirements, and a wide range of flexible packaging applications. Water-quenched film. Water-quenched technology uses rapid cooling during extrusion to achieve high clarity, balanced orientation, flexibility, and thermoformability. Through Aquafrost technology, Vishakha brings together key advantages of blown and cast film processing within a distinct film platform. Three technologies, one manufacturing ecosystem, multiple packaging possibilities, empowering Vishakha to engineer advanced packaging solutions in India for the world.